Morning, everybody. It's time for our chart of the week for June 17th. We're going to talk about General Motors here. GM is the symbol here. Let's take a look at this stock. It's had a really nice run here lately, and I think it's got some more upside to go. So the recent bottom from back in March and tested back in middle of May seems pretty firm here, right? You can see that multiple tests down to about the 72.5, 73 level in March and then early April. And then we tested that 200-day moving average, which was slightly below that 72 area back in the middle of May. And from that point on, we fired up. And you can say that this was what we call a morning star pattern, which is a 3-candle pattern. I like to see 4, but 3-candle pattern where you get a dark day or a down day, then a doji followed by an up session. And then you get a follow-through day, which went through the 50-day moving average. So that was ideal right there. This was really a good spot to add, about $77. It shot up 3 days later up to right near the levels where we're at right now, about 83.5 to 85, which is kind of you can see here, is a consolidation zone. And you can see that right there. So we're kind of in that area from back in late January, early February. I do like the technicals here, the relative strength, making higher highs and higher lows. We're not overbought here yet. We've had good volume trends. Down here on the bottom, you can see that the strength of on-balance volume is still good, even though it's been declining a little bit as the stock went sideways here. And you can see the larger picture of this stock is a sideways movement as well, too. So not too surprising we get that sideways movement in front of earnings season. Their quarter was going to be ending in about 2 weeks on June 30th. We have a buy signal here on the MACD as well, too. MACD crossover right there. And we see good money flow as well, too. So, big institutions are coming into the stock slowly but surely. And I think eventually this stock has got some room to get to about 100, maybe $105. Perhaps by the end of the year. That would be a really nice run for General Motors. It did start the year off over here at about $81 or $82. So it's not up that much in 2026. But I think that get a little bit of momentum, get above that all-time high back in January, February, but you call it about $86, $87. And I think General Motors got some legs here. As an aside, if you take a look at Chicken Analytics, it's bullish as well too on the analytics. Was good money flow. The Chicken Power Gauge is green, which is bullish. We have an overbought, oversold reading here. Oversold reading here is probably going to be a buy. So I like the chart here. I like the opportunity with General Motors. Again, not looking for a huge move, but 20% on General Motors would be a solid one. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.